In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Zoho company in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to start a new career or make a change, Zoho offers a range of exciting opportunities across various fields. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, open your favorite web browser and navigate to zoho.com. Once you're on the homepage, you have the option to either sign up for a new account if you don't already have one, or sign into an existing account. This is an essential step as it ensures you have access to all the features you'll need to apply for a position at Zoho. Now that you're signed in, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. Here, you'll find a link labeled Careers. It's typically nestled among other links, so take your time to locate it. Clicking on this will transport you to the careers page, where you'll see Zoho's current job openings and additional information about working with them. On the careers page, look for and click on the View Open Roles button. This is where you'll see a comprehensive list of all the available positions at Zoho. Browse through the job post to find a role that matches your skills and interests. Once you find a position you're excited about, click on the job post for more detailed information. After reviewing the job description and responsibilities, you'll notice an I'm interested button. Clicking this indicates to Zoho that you're keen to apply for the position, and it will guide you to the application form. Here's where you'll need to fill in all your personal details, professional experiences, and any other required information that the application form asks for. Once you've carefully filled out the application form, the next step is to click on the Submit Application button. This action will formally submit your application to Zoho. Now, it's important to ensure that all the information you provided is accurate and complete, as this is what Zoho will use to evaluate your candidacy. Zoho provides a couple of convenient ways to apply. If you have a Zoho Corporation account, you can take advantage of the Easy Apply feature for a streamlined application process. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable using your Indeed account, Zoho supports applications through that platform as well. And just like that, you've completed your application to join Zoho company. Be sure to keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your application status and potential interview invitations. Good luck, and we hope to see you thriving at Zoho soon.